Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to upcycle a puppet, or how to create an upcycled puppet, or how to take a stuffed animal, see it's a stuffed animal this time, it's just a stuffed animal, and create a puppet out of it. Now, I thought I would start with this Barney and make him a puppet, but there's nothing inside other than the fiber material. So we're gonna make a puppet out of him. Ha ha ha. Okay, so Barney's got this little mouth here, and that's gonna be great. And of course the neck is large enough, I think, for me to reach my hand up inside. So rather than come in from the back of the head, I think I'm gonna come in from between the tail here and all that. So I think I can probably reach up inside and do that. So that's what we're gonna do. Take some very sharp scissors. And by the way, I paid probably less than $2.99, but it says $2.99, so I could have paid $2.99. I'm going to come in back a ways, about where the tag starts, right there, okay? So I can come in essentially through the tail. So that's what we're going to try and do. So I'm going to get in there, and I'm just going to clip away, right like that. Right at the seam where it goes up the tail, okay? Now, I've got a large hand, so this is going to be a little tricky, but right up that tail. And I might have to go a bit forward on the other, but right there is a good opening, okay? You know what? I am going to have to move a little bit closer to the front. And again, just trim a little bit. I want to have a little illusion that this is actually a puppet. Okay, so I think that's probably enough. I'm looking at it because I'm popping the seams as I move forward. So I may, after we get involved in this, I may have to get in there and put a couple stitches on there. So now we're going to just remove some of the material. By the way, I'm going to save this material up. We're going to have a project later on that'll be quite entertaining. It'll be a Halloween project, so that'll just give you a little idea there. Okay, so my hand's inside. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Look at that so far. Okay, I need to remove a little from the head. Not too much, because I want that little dome shape on the top. But I've got to remove a little out of the front, okay? Just like that, for me to get in to the mouth. Now I want to try and remove some of the mouth. There we go. Now, of course, I've left some in the front. I'm pulling from the back right here, so I leave a lot in the front. What's interesting is, and I found this on professional puppets, is that this material tends to stay where you put it, okay? And you can dig your hand through, past it, and through it, and do that. Now, I get inside here, and the actual top part is sewn together, okay? So that's stuck there, this top part here. So the bottom part is what I'm working with. So I think what I'm going to do is completely remove the material, just push it down into the belly area, and try and do it like this, so I can say hello there, and literally pull down on the mouth. So Barney's got this kind of funny deal there. I'm having issues trying to get to the top. So what I might do is, if I can, I'm going to have to get in there with a pair of scissors and snip a little hole so I can get in there. But because I can't, every time I push up, it's pushing the mouth, this top mouth part up there. Okay? But the main part is I've got him in there. I've got my fingers on the arms so I can say, hi, this is Barney. And that might be enough, is talking like this. Is saying, I love you, you love me. This is really creepy. Is doing the little Barney like that. So that's it. I've got a Barney doll. Look at that. He's waving goodbye. And he's talking like that. So, hello, I'm Barney. And that might be enough. So there I did. I took a stuffed animal and I turned him into a puppet. Just like that. And we started with Barney. So again, you might need to stitch a couple stitches there. But right now, I think it's fine. And we're going to just do that. And he's going to clap as we go and say, thank you very much for coming along with us on this journey. For those of you who have been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe. And you get all of the updates. All of the updates. And you'll have all the fun with us on that. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time. Bye, guys. And that's Barney. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.